guys? What's up, guys? So, like, the hurricane's on the way. We're just gonna, like, cruise around on the Miata and shit. It's, like, honestly not too bad at all. It's, like, weekend, but there's, like, nowhere to get gas now. Last gas station closed around 12, about an hour ago. But, yeah. So we have this little barrier island. Storm's not even here, but the waves are actually already cresting over the island. It's a bit like autocross, except you can dodge like real debris instead of cones. Come at you fast enough, be like training for the autocross next week. What's up, guys? So it's like Hurricane Florence and shit, and everything's wet in the Miata because I had the top down, and yeah, started like raining and everything. So we're going through the hurricane with the top down. I decided to put it up. I don't want the Miata getting too wet, but this is a great preparation for autocross. Yeah, as far as the hurricane goes, like they were saying it was going to be a Category 4, and it was supposed to be like really bad in terms of storm surge and everything. Well, it's only a Category 2. Like it's nowhere near what it was hyped up to be, which is a good thing. But at the same time, it's high tide right now, and I've never seen the water that high. The tide is going back out, but the waves are still cresting our barrier island, Masonboro Island, and you can see the waves cresting the sand dunes on the island. Like, it's pretty crazy. Like, that never happens. So, judging by the fact that the storm isn't like really here yet, it's just on its way. It's going to be pretty bad. We don't need ABS. What do you need ABS for? See it coming from the waterway, but I had to make sure my buddy had his keys. But now it's time that I'm going to put the Miata away in the garage, and we're going to switch to the Protege, or if things were to actually get bad, take out the Volvo. Volvo can get hit by anything. Alright guys, that's the hurricane update of the hour.